Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to explain about datetime in Python. I will quick show how you can take the local time, the UTC time, and how you can add 10 days to a time, take 1 day from the time, how you can find how many days we have to Christmas, and how you can change the format from strings to data object and from a data object to strings. So let's begin. First we need the local time. Datetime now in Python, meaning you take the local time. You can see the local time here. I'm in Denmark, so right now the clock is 21. So let's try to take the UTC time. And you can see the UTC time is 1 hour behind Danish time right now. When we're coming for the summer, the UTC will be 2 hours behind the Danish time. I would recommend you always to work in UTC time, because if you have a global company and you speak always in UTC time, your partner, your employee, your competitive always know what time we are speaking about, and it could be easier to make meetings and make a phone call. If you say, oh hey man, I will call you at 9 p.m. UTC time, and then the other guy no, oh okay, yes, UTC time is in United States will be, yeah, I don't know the time zones. Let's say plus 6 hours, so it will be 3 o'clock at the night. So he said, I'm sleeping there, could we move it 6 hours earlier in UTC? And I can say, okay, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so yeah, no problem. So it's, yeah, easier to use the times across the systems. So let's say we want to add days. In this case we want to say date time delta, and days is equal to 10. That's meaning we want to add 10 days. So if I print it out, days added should be can say 10 days, and it's no have times, so let's say I want to add hours is equal to 2, and you can see it's added 2 hours, 10 days and 2 hours. If I add this to my UTC, if everything's going well, it should be, let's say, because this one and plus 2 days, then it's the Christmas day, the 24 should be when I'm adding it, the clock 22, and Christmas evening. Let's see about I have calculating right. The days added done equal to local time plus added days. Right now I'm using local time. I know I spoke so much about UTC, but right now in this video I'm just showing you in local time. In one of my other videos I will probably show you how you can change the UTC times to local times and cross off the worldwide, but in this video I keep it in local time right now. And then we print it out and say days done new date. Everything here should be fine, and run it up and say, yeah, the 23, that's fine. It's because I'm added to UTC and I'm use local time. I see how easy it is to be confused when you are working across of time zones. So for your own sake, use UTC and you have your own AS saved. Sorry for the word. And the next will be to take to convert this Christmas Day to string. So let's do it very easy. Print out string day date, and I will say days added to this one. I will say, I'm interesting to say years, days, months, and day, and let's say hours and minutes. I don't want seconds. If I run this, you can see that's the seconds and the date. If you want the other formats, I would recommend you to read the manual on datetime for Python. It's very easy and it's very many combination, so I can't explain everything here in the video. It will take a long time. I will load from string. Let's say we have a date, Christmas Day 2080, and the 12th and 24, and this is the time in Denmark where we normally eat. Some people eating later, but in my family we eat around 6 or 7 o'clock p.m. So that's why I'm using that now, because we want to build a countdown. And load to date object, and right now I want to say datetime and string p time, and load from string, and the format will be year, month, day, hour, minute, second. If I print this out, if everything is run fine, it should be the right date object. As you can see it, it's here. And the next step would be, how many days did we have back? It's always nice to see how many days there's back to get gift, or how many days, if you don't like Christmas, how many days we have to end all this Christmas crazy stuff. The easy way to do this is to say the loaded date object minus the now local time. That's what we want. And if I run again, you can see that's 18 days back, 20 hours and 36 minutes and 11 seconds on this point. This is microseconds, so don't worry. So yeah, this is how we're doing. It's very simple. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you want to subscribe my channel to get my gold. And if you like, make a like below. I hope you make a comment. If you have any kind of question, I will answer you. And again, hope you want to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and see you next time.